Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this really nice purple half moon shape cut crease. So if you guys want to learn how to achieve this look, continue watching and don't forget to subscribe. For eyes with soft ochre, this is a paint pot, and start applying this all over my lid. Alright, now that our eyes are set, I'm just going to dive into my COUTURE palette by MAKEUPBYZAS. And I'm just going to use these really nice colors. So I'm going to start with Nightcap, grab that purple and start placing it on my crease. So I'm pretty happy with that color and I'm going to move on to the next eye. I'm just going to grab Tracks by MAC Cosmetics. This eyeshadow is so beautiful. I'm going to apply this to the edges of that shadow that I placed on my crease. So this is just going to diffuse that color a little bit more. So then now we'll have a really nice gradient look. What you want to do is grab your concealer and really grab that product on your brush, like so. Okay, there's not a lot of product, it's all condensed into the brush. And you just want to look down, tilt your head backwards, and we just want to slowly carve this area. You want to put the concealer on, look all the way up, and you see where it hit my crease, and that's where my crease is when it opens. So you want to make sure you do that because if you keep on looking down and you cut the crease, and when you actually open your eyes, it's not where it should be. Okay, use your fingers, set that concealer in. Alright, so I'm just going to use my Scott Barnes palette, and this is the blush palette that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use the glowy highlighter actually just to fill in this area. So I'm going to go ahead and add this color, and I am using a nice flat concealer brush. Slowly I'm going to start mixing showy with that color to give it a pop of beige color right there. And I'm gonna start adding Lights Out mixed in with Nightcap. And I'm just going to add this right here and fill in the gaps. I'm gonna grab some concealer and grab my 212 brush. It's a really nice flat angled brush, and this is a MAC Cosmetics brush. And I'm just going to clean this outer edge right here. Okay, so I just gave myself that really nice defined outer edge. Now I'm gonna use my 212 brush, and I'm actually going to dip it in Nightcap and lightly bring that eyeliner in. Okay, and I'm going to take the same shadow on my lower lash line. And use Lights Out. I'm going to grab a pencil brush and I'm going to use Tracks to blend the outer edges. Okay, now I'm going to use a pencil, and this is Studio chromographic pencil. It's a crayon in shade NC30, and you could actually use this on your brows to clean up, but I like to use it on my waterline. It's a perfect tan-ish, nudish color. That's perfect for this look. I'm filling in my tight lines with this nice purple color. And this is called Vine. Sorry guys. I'm going to add some mascara, and this is Voluminous. Let me see. Volume Revolution by Chanel. And I'm just going to add this mascara. I'm going to put a little bit on my lower lash line. Just like that. And I will do my falsies and I'll be right back. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner. Wow. Like, who am I right now? You know? Who am I? So for my lips, I'm going to use Dervish lip pencil. I'm actually going to add a little bit of Swirl lip liner. Okay, and now I'm going to add a little bit of Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Pure Hollywood. I'm going to use a nice fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip into my MAC Cosmetics highlighter and other earthly. It's a mineralized skin finish, and it's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to grab a pencil brush, and I'm going to use my highlighter just to add a pop of color right here by my tear duct to open up my eyes even more. Okay. And now my look is fully completed. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe.